Welcome. Let's understand interlocking for switching devices, that is circuit breaker, isolator or disconnector, and a switch for transformer bay single busbar arrangement. Next. In this video, we will discuss interlocking conditions for single busbar with transformer feeder bay. Next. Here, let's understand interlocking requirements between circuit breaker, disconnector, and earth switch for transformer bay. We will understand interlocking for busbar disconnector, circuit breaker or switch on both sides of the circuit breaker. Q1 is switchable if conditions 1, 2, 3, 6 and 8 are fulfilled. That is, circuit breaker is open, then busbar disconnector hand crank is not inserted and end position interlock is not activated. Then earth switch Q51 is open, then busbar earthing switch is also open. Earthing switch of another high voltage level or remote end switchgear is open. Next. Here Q51 is switchable if conditions 2, 3, 4, 5 and 7 are fulfilled. That is, busbar disconnector is open, earth switch Q51 hand crank is not inserted and end position interlocking is not activated. Then no voltage on the feeder, then circuit breaker or disconnector of another high voltage level or remote end switchgear is open. Or Q51 is switchable if conditions 2, 3 and 4 are fulfilled, that is, busbar disconnector is open, or switch Q51 hand crank is not inserted and end position interlocking is not activated. Then equipment side earthing switch is closed. Next. Here Q8 is switchable if conditions 2, 4, 5 and 7 are fulfilled. That is, busbar disconnector is open, equipment side or switch hand crank is not inserted and position interlocking is not activated. Then no voltage on feeder, then circuit breaker or disconnector of remote end station is also open. Next. Here Q0 is switchable if conditions 2 and 4 are fulfilled. That is, busbar side disconnector is in closed position while equipment side earthing switch is open position, and busbar disconnector and equipment side earthing switch both are not in intermediate position. Thanks. Here is the summary of interlocking conditions between circuit breaker, disconnector and earth switch for single busbar with transformer feeder bay. As discussed earlier, it is mandatory switchable equipment interlocking conditions and must meet condition from 1 to 8. Other interlocking requirements can be complied as per client practice and local standard requirements. Next. To know more about air insulated substation and gas insulated substation, you may enroll to this course. One is all-in-one course on electrical substation design and engineering, and other course is all-in-one course on gas insulated substation or switchgear GIS installation. Dear avid learner, thank you so much for your patience and time. Stay tuned. We will discuss more technical stuff in upcoming videos.